Hey, Fred.
Why not do better than me?
Go back in your enclosure, Fred. Go back in. Go back in. No, go all the way back in. Here. Go back in. Go back in, you big scary bird.
You look scary. Look. You look
Well,
scary.
he likes you. Until he bites your finger off and I have to take you to the hospital for an amputation.
He won't. He's tired.
Yeah, he's scary.
He's not sad. If you look sick, I'll be sad.
Fred, you have 300 square feet to explore, and you're going to try to go out the one and only door that goes to the outside of this aviary. No. No. No, don't try to be cute. You're not cute. Stop it. Fred is not adorable.
What do you know? Max?
Fred is just like Nigel on that cartoon Rio with the blue macaws.
What doesn't want to step on?
Of course he doesn't.
He didn't get any skin.
He wants to terrorize Jonathan. Pick him up, Jonathan.
No, I'm not risking it again.
Did you just cuss?
No.
Oh,
I
good.
said I'm not risking it again.
Oh, I can't hear. I got earwax.
I'm not allowed to get out anymore.
Well, most men who have wives that are nurses would take care of the men's earwax.
You're trying to get in trouble.
I know. I hope I do. Don't pull the feathers out.
Not.
We're having to move birds around. We're playing musical birds today. We're moving the cockatoos and the pheasants out of this cage. We're going to give it a thorough cleaning. And then we have some new birds to go in here. We've already cleaned the cages where these birds are going. These, yeah, the females are.
Oh, it's Jonathan's
What?
coming to you!
What? No. If I catch
You're gonna break your beak.
if I catch
He's contained behind that door, and she won't hurt you.
Yeah, she's not. She was my pet until this thing happened.
Yeah.
This is so fun.
Okay, don't let go of the pheasant. Jeremiah, you're going to have to go and open doors for him.
Do you remember this book's name?
Max.
Yeah, Max.
Okay, go ahead, Jeremiah.
These silver pheasants, they're going to get a cage all to themselves, a nice big aviary. Quit laughing at me. Quit laughing at me. I am not. Don't call me that. Stop it.
It's actually very cute.
Hey friends, we have a couple of new birds here at the aviary. Some very large, very, very beautiful, highly endangered Moluccan cockatoos. Now look, this big beautiful bird is Piper, and she is a Moluccan cockatoo. A lot of people say Moluccan, but I've been told that the proper word is Moluccan because they come from the Molucca Islands. Anyway, they're also sometimes known as a salmon-crested cockatoo, and they're one of the largest parrots in the whole world. They don't have a long tail like a macaw, but they are just giants. Now she's up where Moose normally sits. He's up there on his cage. But isn't she beautiful? And this sweet bird is Jojo. He is also a Moluccan cockatoo. Here, look Jojo, let's fix your hair, okay? Look at that. That's where they get the term salmon crested. Cockatoo. Big, huge, giant, beautiful birds. Well, they come in and out. They have a large outdoor aviary. That's all. We've moved some of the other birds around so that they could have a large enclosure outside. But they come in every night. They can come in and out. We just love them. They're just so wonderful and so sweet and so beautiful, and he's not paying any attention to me at all. He wants to help you.
Here, take the egg.
Don't give him the egg.
Why? Here, take it. We don't have a
Do not.
We don't have a spot.
Do not.
We have too many.
Hey friends, look at this. Daniela and I went to pick up a door that we bought off the Facebook Marketplace, and we're driving home and we see well, put your seatbelt on. We see an emu on the side of the road. Oh my gosh, I said that totally wrong. It's not Daniela, it's Catherine. Look at that beautiful face. So yeah, just an emu, a random emu on the side of the road in Pell City. Well, Cropwell, Eastonville, New London, Kennedy Acres. I'm not sure where we are. Isn't that beautiful? Well, bye.